Okay, so now it's going to do the radius.
What does the J code stand for?
I believe that's the radius. What's the J? 0.625? I don't believe that's the width of the thing. I thought the J had something to do with the radius. Doing the finish on the radius, and after that it will do one little thing and then it'll retract and it'll switch out the tool.
Yeah, I seen the tool change. I didn't know exactly what you were doing. Oh, so then you're gonna go over it and start piecing that up. Oh, that's not a plug.
You retract, and then yeah, now it's tool changing. No, it's gonna engrave with the center drum. Okay, I'm gonna hit stop.
Blow it off.
Blow it off. See how the end mill looks. See how the pocket looks.
Let me get a close up on it.
Might want to wait for those to stop dripping. Good bucket. Okay. Oh, milling some pockets. Trying to not break anything.
Like always.
Not bad. Now it's gonna breathe.
Good thing you're doing it in single block. You know, you can do this stuff.
Well, I mean, you could hit stop and it would.
True.
What did I hit? I hit stop.
Come on, dude.
Spindle speed. Where is anyone pointed out if this is spindle speed?
Well, it should be under S.
Really?
Is that S? That's 500. Well, that's set.
Or do you see S500?
Right there.
Oh, okay, there we go. And then the feed is...
What's the feed at?
feed
Might be lower. Yeah.
0.5.
Is that M420?
Let's slow down the
We'll just go to it and then do it. Well, once it hits that operation though, it's gonna change again, won't it?
feed. No, it keeps that the same.
Oh, okay.
Here we go, boys.
Getting to work. God, dude, this thing's running so slow.
Oh, wait, why isn't the coolant on?
Just turn it on.
I think it'll turn on.
No, the code that you literally stopped at is going to activate the coolant.
Oh, yeah, probably right there. It would have started it.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the scary part because it's going to feed right to the top of that. Woohoo! Who's ready? Okay, right now it is currently feeding downwards. Tell me when that stops up here, Matt. I really have to pee.
Me too.
It feeds down so slow because it's a center drill.
What's it supposed to stop at?
I don't know. Add 50 to whatever it was. So it's going to be like 10. Should be like 970 something. Or 9.
Stop.
Okay. I'm going to keep hold for a second.
What are you doing now?